Good morning. Well, today we're at Erawan Waterfall. We've just come in now. It's 300 baht for foreigners, 60 baht for Thai people, and 30 baht for the car. So I think that comes to 750 or something. We parked up here now. I'll just turn the camera around. There's shops where you can buy your food and drinks and have a meal. And then apparently it's a little bit of a walk down to the waterfall itself. So all this is tier 1 of the 7 waterfalls, tier 1. This is waterfall number 2, and apparently I've just been informed that these fish in here are sorrel brook carp. This is level number 3. It's safe enough to swim in this one. Apparently here, if you don't wear a life jacket, you're not allowed in. And if you do get in any trouble, you have the guy here who's going to come in and rescue you. Well, we're going up to level 4 now. And don't come up here if you've got a dodgy heart. This is steep. Come on, team. Well, we still haven't reached level 4 yet. It's a bit of a climb. And this is a viewpoint from, well, not quite level 4. Now it's starting to get very hot as well. So this waterfall is number 4. 3 more to go. Oh, steep. Safety first, hang on to the railings at all times. this is waterfall number 5. 2 more to go. Well, I don't know what this thing is, but it grows. It's extremely strong and probably very old.